Okay, guys, I'm here at Disney Springs. Coming here to show you exactly what's going on. I have a nice video to put together for you, but you can check this out here and see exactly what's going on. And it kind of reminds me of Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's, this place has just about everything you need, just like Buc-ee's. I mean, almost the exact same thing, but on a larger scale. Now, I can't take anything away from Buc-ee's, but this is just as nice. So I'll show you a little bit more of what's going on around here. We're gonna shop around here and see what they have to offer, just to show you exactly what's going on. So stay tuned, enjoy the show. Guys, I'm over here at the Ghirardelli's Soda Fountain Chocolate Factory. All right, let's go here. Okay, guys, this is a chart telling Domingo's journey from where he got started from 1817 to 1849. The other location that I showed you, there was the donut spot that they have here. So we want to come, I'm trying to figure out, I don't really want any chocolate, but I just wanted to give you all an idea of what they have here. Right there, so you all can see that. Okay guys, just to let you know, if you do decide to come to Universal Studios or Disney, you can come to Disney Springs where it's totally free. You can bring your kids, bring your family. They have restaurants, food, music, as you can hear behind me. So at the same time, you can see this lovely, beautiful view behind me that you will definitely enjoy. I cannot wait to show you guys this, but it is just beautiful.
I know what it is now. To do this right in your own time. I keep telling you with my eyes, my heart's on fire. Why don't you realize? Tell me, do you know? Tell me, do you know? I get so bright.
Okay guys, you already know Disney is about the kids. So we're definitely in the kids' territory. No, I'm good. I'm good. Guys, you can come here and have souvenirs or whatever you'd like to get out of here. They have all that here. can't get in here. It looks like they have a line. As you can see, they have the floating cars here out in the water. This is, you know, similar to your little boats, but it's a car instead of a boat. But it's very close to the water. I think I would have to have me on a life vest just to get on there, just to make sure I'm safe. Okay, guys, here's the Paddlefish boat slash restaurant slash eatery. You can get your cocktails there, and they also serve vegetarian dishes, as well as having the Fox Riverboat on the other side where you can catch your car boat ride. Okay, look at this, guys, one of your favorite dinosaurs, the T-Rex. This is the T-Rex restaurant, so while you're walking, want to take a break, you can stop in, give yourself something to eat or drink. And here's your Fox River car ride on the other side of the Paddlefish restaurant. Got to admit, that's pretty cool. So if you want to ride on the river car, make sure to stop by and get your ride. Now, this is what I really wanted to get on, but because they said it was too much wind, they couldn't take it up, so they had to pass on this one this time. So the next time I go there, I would definitely get on it. Okay, guys, welcome to the Jaleo restaurant, which is a Spanish restaurant, and they're known for the vegetarian dishes. So if you're a healthy eater like myself, or which I try to be, this is a good location to stop if you decide to come to Disney Springs. At Disney Springs, which is the Chicken Guy. So I'm going to go in here, taste their food, see what it's like, and back on the journey. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I must tell you the food was great. Now back off to the journey, and we're going through Market Building number 3. They have tons of shopping, and it is very relaxing, refreshing to get out of the sun and get into some shade. If you're hot, perfect place to come. Okay, guys, once again, as usual and as always, I always like to thank you all for watching my channel, watching my content, staying up with me to see what the next video is. But please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It's easy and it's free. Don't take your time, don't waste your time, just hit the button and subscribe. Thank you very much.